Demonstrative pronouns. This, these, that, those. This is a frog. This is a mouse. This is a sheep. This is a tiger. This is a duck. This is a monkey. This is a bird. This is a cow. This is a chicken. This is a horse. This is a lizard. This is a goat. This is a dog. This is a hippo. This is a giraffe. This is a snake. This is a crocodile. This is an elephant. This is a spider. This is a jellyfish. This is a bee. This is a zoo. This is a bear. This is a fish. This is a cat. This is an animal. This is a zebra. This is a polar bear. This is a tail. These are frogs. These are mice. These are sheep. These are tigers. These are ducks. These are monkeys. These are birds. These are cows. These are chickens. These are horses. These are lizards. These are goats. These are dogs. These are hippos. These are giraffes. These are snakes. These are crocodiles. These are elephants. These are spiders. These are jellyfish. These are bees. These are zoos. These are bears. These are fish. These are cats. These are animals. These are zebras. These are polar bears. These are tails. That is a frog. That is a mouse. That is a sheep. That is a tiger. That is a duck. That is a monkey. That is a bird. That is a cow. That is a chicken. That is a horse. That is a lizard. That is a goat. That is a dog. That is a hippo. That is a giraffe. That is a snake. That is a crocodile. That is an elephant. That is a spider. That is a jellyfish. That is a bee. That is a zoo. That is a bear. That is a fish. That is a cat. That is an animal. That is a zebra. That is a polar bear. That is a tail. Those are frogs. Those are mice. Those are sheep. Those are tigers. Those are ducks. Those are monkeys. Those are birds. Those are cows. Those are chickens. Those are horses. Those are lizards. Those are goats. Those are dogs. Those are hippos. Those are giraffes. Those are snakes. Those are crocodiles. Those are elephants. Those are spiders. Those are jellyfish. Those are bees. Those are zoos. Those are bears. Those are fish. Those are cats. Those are animals. Those are zebras. Those are polar bears. Those are tails.